Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Today we are going to draw Chhota Bheem. Let's draw and color together. And you know who is Chhota Bheem? Chhota Bheem is a beloved Indian animated series that captivates kids and toddlers with its exciting adventures and colorful characters. The show revolves around the young and brave Bheem, who lives in the fictional kingdom of Toddlers. Bheem is really powerful even though he's small. But you know what else he loves? He loves laddus. Bheem just can't resist those round, sweet treats. He always helping his friends and standing up to bad guys. Do you know? Bheem is smart and kind, and he teaches us to be brave and good to others.